In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photo in GIMP. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to enhance a photo while keeping your original safe. First, let's get your image into GIMP. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Open and select the photo you want to edit. Once it appears on your canvas, you're ready to prepare for safe editing. Before making any changes, duplicate your layer so you always have the untouched original to fall back on. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Duplicate Layer. You'll see a new copy appear above the original. Make sure you're working on that copy. This non-destructive approach lets you compare results easily and protects you from over-editing. Now let's bring out the overall light and dark balance. Head to Colors, then Brightness Contrast. A small window will appear with two sliders. Increase brightness to lift shadows and lighten the image. Decrease it to darken the whole scene. Contrast expands or compresses the difference between lights and darks. Move the sliders slowly and watch your preview. Aim for detail in both shadows and highlights without washing out bright areas or crushing dark ones. When it looks balanced and natural, click OK. Next, refine tones and exposure more precisely using either levels or curves. Go to Colors, then Levels if you prefer a straightforward tool. In Levels, use the black input slider to set true blacks by pulling it toward the left edge of your image data, the white input slider to set true whites by nudging it toward the right edge, and the middle slider to brighten or darken mid-tones. If you like finer control, choose Colors, then Curves. In Curves, click and drag gently on the line. Pulling up brightens, pulling down darkens. A subtle S-shaped curve can enhance contrast while preserving detail. Make small adjustments, watch skin tones and skies, and avoid clipping at the extremes. Finally, add clarity with sharpening. Go to Filters, then Enhance, and choose Sharpen, specifically Unsharp Mask. You'll see three key controls. Amount increases the strength of the sharpening effect. Radius sets how wide the edges affected will be. And Threshold helps protect smoother areas like skin from noise and grain. View your image at 100% while adjusting. Start with a modest amount, a small radius, and a low to moderate threshold. Increase slowly until details pop without creating halos or a gritty look. When it feels crisp and clean, click OK. That's it. You opened your photo, worked safely on a duplicate layer, balanced brightness and contrast, refined exposure with levels or curves, and finished with clean sharpening. Keep adjustments subtle, and your edits will stay natural and polished.